Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting both devices ready. Charge them, unlock the iPad, and open settings to Bluetooth so you see available devices. Once done, keep the AirPods in the closed case and hold near the iPad. This lets the iPad detect the AirPods immediately. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. If Control Center shows a gray icon, tap it to enable. These steps reduce delays and improve detection because iPad searches only when Bluetooth is active. When the case opens near the iPad, you should see the pairing pop-up. Tap Connect immediately to begin. If the pop-up doesn't appear, press and hold the Setup button on the AirPods case until the status light flashes white. This forces pairing mode. Once you tap Connect, the iPad exchanges the authentication information with the AirPods. That's why you may see a progress spinner. Make sure to keep them close and avoid moving away, since distance can interrupt the secure exchange. After Connect, your iPad may install firmware and show the AirPods as connected. Verify in Settings Bluetooth. If audio doesn't route automatically, open Control Center and select the AirPods as the output device. Sometimes iPad keeps the previous output. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods. With case open, hold the Setup button about 15 seconds until amber then white flashes, then retry. That reset clears stale pairings and resolves most common hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.